Additional or replacement carafe. For use with models, Steam Pro, model number 344 Cup Espresso Cappuccino, model number 303. Country of origin is China. The package weight of the product is 1.0 pounds. 4 Cup Espresso Glass Carafe, 4 Cup Espresso Cappuccino. Top reviews from the United States. Better and improved. Obviously I am writing this review because I broke my old Capresso Carafe that came with my espresso machine bought at Costco. Let me tell you my first impression unboxing this carafe. I quickly notice that this new one, the glass is thicker, felt a couple of ounces heavier, and the handle is well secure, and it doesn't feel loose or cheaply made compared to the old carafe that came with the Capresso espresso machine I bought at Costco.